The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as it must. During dangerous weather situations, especially built radios are on. The warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first weather day. The alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm tone. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. Taking a look at the 4 to 7-day forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. For Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday,
I'm just going to do a scroll video for the hell of it.
sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Oh,
For
wow.
Saturday night,
So wait, I
mostly
didn't see
clear.
this actually.
Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny.
Huh?
Highs
No,
around
that's it.
70. For Sunday night,
This is actually activated.
The showers. Lows in the mid
Sorry.
50s.
Yeah, you can help me just get to
Partly
the
sunny
little
with
bit
a
of
chance
bugs.
showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid 70s.
I got that.
Chance of
No,
precipitation 30%.
let me just, yeah.
For Monday night,
I got
mostly
it.
cloudy with a 20% chance of showers
So,
and
yeah.
thunderstorms.
Perfect.
Lows in the mid 60s.
Unfortunately, don't connect it because they were not on the
Highs
message
in
I
the
got.
mid 80s.